Upgrade your kitchen with the perfect blend of style, durability, and convenience. The best non-stick cookware sets make cooking and cleanup effortless, ensuring your favorite dishes don't stick and flavors shine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these top 5 picks bring quality, performance, and versatility to every meal you create. Number 1. Carote 21-Piece Non-Stick Cookware Sets. The Carote 21-piece non-stick cookware set is a complete kitchen solution that perfectly balances durability, performance, and convenience. Crafted from reinforced die-cast aluminum, this set ensures long-lasting reliability while remaining lightweight, making cooking and handling effortless. The cookware features a premium granite non-stick coating with 10x Ultra non-stick performance, allowing you to prepare healthier meals with less oil and enjoy an easy, hassle-free cleanup. For best results, Carote recommends hand washing, which is remarkably simple. Just a quick rinse or wipe with a paper towel is enough. The extended bottom design ensures fast and even heating across all cooktops, including induction, so you can achieve consistent cooking results every time. The set includes everything you need: 2 fry pans, 9.5 foot and 11, 2 saucepans with lids, 2 QT and 3 QT, a 4 QT stockpot with lid, a 6.5 QT stockpot with lid, a 4.5 QT sauté pan with lid, plus essential utensils, ladle, spatula, tongs, steamer, and 4 pan protectors. With a 12-month warranty and excellent customer support, Carote ensures peace of mind. Stylish, durable, and versatile, this set is a smart investment for any kitchen. Number 2. T-Fal Ultimate Hard Non-Stick Cookware Set. The T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is designed to deliver professional performance with everyday convenience. Built with a durable hard anodized exterior and forged construction, this set is tough enough to withstand years of use while maintaining excellent heat distribution. Its titanium-reinforced non-stick coating ensures effortless food release, so cooking is smooth and cleanup is fast and easy. This versatile set includes everything you need: covered saucepans, 1 QT, 2 QT, and 3 QT, 8 foot and 10 fry pans, an 11.5 covered fry pan, a 10.25 griddle, a 3.5 QT sauté pan, a 5 QT Dutch oven, a 3 QT steamer insert, and even a handy egg wonder fry pan. From breakfast to family dinners, every meal is covered. One standout feature is the thermospot technology, a heat indicator that turns solid red when pans are perfectly preheated, ensuring precise cooking every time. The riveted silicone handles provide comfort and safety, while vented tempered glass lids lock in flavor, heat, and moisture without sacrificing visibility. This cookware set withstands oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and is compatible with all stovetops except induction. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the T-Fal Ultimate Set is a reliable and versatile upgrade for any kitchen. Number 3. Ninja 16-Piece Non-Stick Cookware Set. The Ninja 16-Piece Non-Stick Cookware Set is built for those who demand both durability and versatility in the kitchen. With its exclusive Never Stick technology, these pans won't stick, chip, or flake. The secret lies in the 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit plasma ceramic fusion, creating a super hard, textured surface that bonds with the non-stick coating for unmatched strength and performance. Crafted with a shot-blasted, hard anodized exterior, the cookware resists scratches like stainless steel while offering superior durability. The heavy-gauge 4.5mm aluminum base ensures quick, even heating and improved heat retention, preventing hot spots and guaranteeing perfectly cooked meals every time. This set isn't limited to stovetop use. The cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, including the lids, handles, and coating, so you can sear, bake, roast, or broil with ease. The ergonomic stainless steel handles are double riveted for strength, while tempered glass lids with stainless rims lock in heat and moisture for better cooking results. From frying and sautéing to braising and baking, this multifunctional set covers all your cooking needs. Safe for metal utensils, dishwasher-friendly, and compatible with gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction stovetops, it's as convenient as it is durable. Set includes 8-foot fry pan with lid, 10.25 fry pan with lid, 12 a fry pan, 1.5 QT, 2.5 QT, and 3.5 QT saucepans with lids, 3 QT sauté pan with lid, 4 QT stockpot with lid, and 8 QT stockpot with lid. Number 4. Nuwave Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. The Nuwave Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set combines modern craftsmanship with healthy cooking innovation, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. Built with premium forged construction, this set is both strong and durable yet remains lightweight for easy handling. Designed to perform well at any cooking skill level. What sets it apart is the eco-friendly Duralan Blue Gen 10 ceramic coating, a natural non-stick surface free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Tested by TV Rainland, it ensures safer cooking without toxic emissions, even at high temperatures. Unlike traditional coatings, the G10 ceramic technology has been perfected over a decade to deliver fast, even heating, effortless food release, and outstanding durability. Rated at 9H hardness, just below Diamond's 10H, Duralan Blue resists scratches, corrosion, and discoloration, maintaining its superior performance over time. It also boasts induction-ready bases with anti-warp stainless steel plates, ensuring consistent heat distribution and retention across all stovetops. Beautifully engineered and built to last, the Nuwave Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set not only elevates cooking performance but also provides a healthier, safer way to prepare your favorite meals. A true balance of durability, functionality, and eco-conscious design. Number 5. All-Clad Nonstick Cookware Sets. The All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is a premium choice for anyone who values performance, style, and everyday convenience. This 5-piece set includes 3 essential fry pans, 8-inch, 10-inch with lid, and 12-inch with lid, making it the perfect collection for all your daily cooking needs, from frying eggs to searing meats. Crafted with heavy-gauge aluminum and a stainless steel base, the HA1 Nonstick ensures quick, even heat distribution for consistent results every time. The PTFE nonstick coating offers reliable food release and long-lasting durability, making cooking and cleanup effortless. Designed with both elegance and practicality in mind, the cookware features a sleek contour design with double-riveted stainless steel handles for a secure, comfortable grip. The tempered glass lids let you monitor your cooking without losing heat or moisture. Built for versatility, this cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and works with all stovetops, including induction. It is also dishwasher-safe, though hand washing with a sponge is recommended to preserve the non-stick surface. Designed in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, USA, and made in China, the All-Clad HA1 comes with a limited lifetime warranty, offering confidence and quality for years to come.